Sunshine, but not necessarily today in the forecast. What we have today is Storm Barra. Now already the wind's picking up around Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest of England, and we're looking at widespread gales. On top of that, in the northern half of the country, we're going to see some snow, and that means with that combination, blizzards, drifting off the snow and also poor visibility. Now this area of low pressure, deep area of low pressure, is Storm Barra, and if you have a look at the isobars, that tells you it's going to be windy, and we've got a weather front wrapped around it too, bringing in some heavy rain. So we've had heavy rain this morning across Northern Ireland. Through the rest of the morning it's going to be pushing northwards and eastwards after a cold and frosty start with the risk of ice on untreated surfaces. So that cold air is already in place in the north, hence the rain rapidly turning to snow across northern England and also Scotland. But after this band of rain's gone through, if we follow it around, you can see there'll be further spells of rain or showers coming in behind. Now mild still across the southwest, although you probably won't really notice that because the wind will be more of a feature, but it is going to be a cold day generally. So let's take a look at the snow. The Met Office has copious yellow weather warnings out today, and one of them is for snow. We could have up to 5 centimetres across parts of northern England, 10 to 20 in the southern uplands and also the highlands. And don't forget, it's also going to be windy around the Irish Sea coastline and also the English Channel, gusting 70 to potentially 80 miles an hour. Inland, we're looking at 40 to 50 miles an hour. And as the storm pushes northwards and eastwards later, we'll have gusts of wind in eastern Scotland, 40 to 50 miles an hour as well. So you can see the centre of the area of low pressure that is Storm Barra, and look how it pushes northwards, taking its rain and its hail snow with it. Behind it, there'll be a rash of showers. Some of those will be heavy and once again wintry on the tops of the hills. It's still going to be windy, except in the centre of the storm, and it's going to be cold. 3 to 6 degrees will be our overnight lows. Now as we move into Wednesday, we still have Storm Barra with us. If anything, the winds won't be quite as strong as today, but it's still going to be a windy day, and we still have that weather front wrapped around it. So here is the weather front, and you can see we're having rain or indeed showers from it, and once again some winteriness on the hills in Scotland. Still windy in the southwest and also across the Northern Isles. But tomorrow, although there will be a lot of cloud around as well as everything else, we could well just see a little bit of fleeting sunshine. Now moving from Wednesday into Thursday, Storm Barra really does start to weaken. The isobars spread out, a ridge of high pressure tries to build in, and then later on another weather front comes our way. So there'll be areas of slow moving cloud. There will be a wee bit more sunshine around on Thursday, and then we've got a weather front bringing in some rain from the west. The winds will be much lighter, but nonetheless it's still going to feel cold. Sal and Dan.
Carol, thank you so much, but don't go anywhere, Carol, because we've got something really special coming up that I know you're going to love. Yes.
Excellent.
How about, what can I say? I don't even know where to start about your amazing time with Nadia on Strictly. It's been brilliant. They brought us lobsters, they brought the breakfast sofa to the ballroom. Most of all, they brought us an awful lot of joy and happiness. You really did.
Well, thank you.